So we need to take apart this. And it's very unclear how to take out. So I assume it's just you push this to the side. And then you pop them out. Oh, I guess you take it out. It comes out. Let's just leave it in at the moment. Okay, we have shell 1 and shell 2. Okay, this is shell 1 and shell 2. We take out the board and the cover. So the board and cover are out. Shell 2, shell 1. Take out the Raspberry Pi out of that case. So we have the Raspberry Pi, and then we got the board here, which you're going to put it like this on top of here. But I was a little confused at first because in the case that I have, the power comes from here, and this is the controller, this is the HDMI. So like, how is this going to work? This is powering the controller, and it doesn't have any power. But I'm assuming with this device here, it switches everything around so that it can be compatible with the board. So let's connect it first. So it's connected, and then we connect it to the. Oh, also I have this heatsink installed, so I need to take this off carefully. I'm gonna have to carefully take this off. All right, we took off the heatsink because we're not gonna need it for this purpose, and it won't install with it. This won't install if this is there. So carefully line it up. I guess it just needs to touch. It doesn't need to be in. As long as it's touching the slots that they're supposed to be in. Install the board here. Those are in. And carefully place it down. And it says here, don't insert screws before you put the shell 2. So after we put it in shell 1, it was already connected, or it wasn't. Yeah, it's already connected. It's telling us what is it telling us? It's telling us to make sure that it's locked in place. I guess it was an old design. I guess they just wanted to make sure. But yeah, everything seems like it's connected. Then we put this back into place. Make sure you see the lettering. It says micro SD. Face up. Put that down. Then it says put the shell 2 on. So we snap that into place. And then we install the screws. And okay, so that's how it comes out. Yeah, you can pop it out. And then insert the SD card. So we installed the SD card. Hopefully, it looks like it's installed correctly. Close it. We turn the switch. Oh, we put the thing in. It says to switch it to off. I'm not going to put the screws in yet, because I just want to see if it works before, because if it doesn't work, I'm going to have to unscrew it again. Or actually, I don't have to unscrew it. I can screw it, because I can take the card out. That's right. No, don't make me regret this. Alright, getting the last screw in. Now, did it work? Did it work at all? Alright, the moment of truth. Can I turn it on? Oh, is it working? Looks like it's working. We have the contrast button here, which kind of seems like a brightness button.